In the beginning, the sound is born from the strings, from the beat we adorn. The key speaks soft with a touch of grace. Bass pulls deep as we find our place. Trumpet shouts loud in the open air, a call to the brave who dare to care. The rhythm builds like a storm that brews, and every note is a path we choose. The time stretches out, yet we hold our ground. In every turn, another voice is found. The bass grooves low, steady and bold, while the drums mark stories that are untold. Sax flows like water, smooth and wide. Trumpet lifts high, a shifting tide. With each moment, we're making space. In the infinite canvas, we leave our trace. The melody bends in a cosmic flight. The keys speak fast, then slow the flight. The drums burst open with a clash so true, as the bass line sways and we push on through. A turn of the horn, a twist of the sound. We are the creators of what's profound. Each shift we make is a leap of faith. In the landscape of sound we carve our place. Hold the beat, feel the sound, let it shake you to the ground. Every note, of the world. The sound that we play is the sound that we make, a fusion of hearts in the risks that we take. Let the horn speak loud and the bass guide the way. In the heart of the sound we'll forever stay. The keys break wide and the cymbals crash. As the bass thunders, we make our dash. Sax in the lead with trumpet behind. Every beat brings us closer to our mind. We let the sound speak what we cannot say. We chase the notes and we'll never delay. Feel the rush of the sound, come alive. Let it carry you, let it thrive. In the waves of the music we find our way. In the canvas of sound we'll always stay. Is near, but the sound it lingers ever clear. We leave our mark in the air we breathe, and the music we forever believe. As the horns fade out, the beat remains a constant flow, an endless chain. The canvas is filled, but we are not done. In the heart of the sound, we are one.